జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 306th నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. ఓం వ్యక్తరూపాయ నమః. O Srimanarayana, I realize that to all the devotees who are craving to see you, you are the one who will be showing all your divine personification, divine form, Divya Mangala Vigraham to all the devotees very clearly. O Srimanarayana, when Markandeya Maharshi has seen you in huge ocean on a small leaf, as a small boy when you are there on that leaf, Markandeya Maharshi came very close to you and wanted to see you very clearly. At that time, you are the one who has shown such a beautiful form of yourself to Markandeya Maharshi. After seeing your Divya Mangala Vigraham, Markandeya Maharshi saying that I have seen such a beautiful divine form of Srimanarayana. I have seen a form on whom such a beautiful black mole is there. I have seen such a beautiful form on which all the tejas is there. Such wonderful form is shown to me by Srimanarayana. To such small boy, to such a very delicate divine lotus-like feet of small boy, I have bowed my head and I took those 2 legs, 2 feet and put those 2 feet on my head. That is how Markandeya Maharshi enjoyed your divine form. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Vyaktarupaya Namaha. Om Vyaktarupaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimanarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Bharata is now getting very close to Parnasala. Bharata is now getting to see beautiful sacred Parnasala. Bharata is also now getting to see there is a beautiful wide stage on which Agnivedika, on which the Agnihotram is lighting. Bharata getting to see that entire part in the northeastern side of Parnasala. There is so much happiness, excitement overflowing in Bharata. He started slowly visualizing and also evaluating each and every place in that Parnasala. Then Bharata has seen finally Utaje Ramamasinam, Jata Mandaladharinam. Bharata is now getting to see Rama who has matted hair. Bharata is now getting to see Rama who is sitting there in Parnasala. Bharata kind of got confused. He has taken couple of fraction of seconds to recognize, identify Rama, because very unusually Bharata is now first time getting to see Rama in that matted hair, in that Naravastras. That is why he has taken couple of seconds to identify and finally decide that this is my Rama. Tantu Krishnajinadharam Chiravalkalavasasam. Bharata is now getting to see the one who is wearing Naravastras, the one who is having Uttariyam as Krishnajinam as Uttariyam. Such great Ramachandra Swami is being seen by Bharata. Simhaskandham Mahabahum. The Bharata is now getting to see Rama, who has such a shoulders like lion, and that kind of Ramachandra Swami is giving darshanam to Bharata. Pundarika Nibhekshanam. Bharata is now getting to see the one who has beautiful lotus like eyes. Such Ramachandra Swami is giving darshanam to Bharata now. Prithivyaha Sagarantaya Bhartaram. To this entire earth, the final refuge is Ramachandra Swami. Bharata is now getting to see such great King Ramachandra Swami, great man Ramachandra Swami. Now Ramachandra Swami is giving darshanam to Bharata. Dharmacharinam. Bharata is now getting to see the personification, the embodiment of Dharma, Ramachandra Swami. Bharata is now getting to see the one who has so much effulgence and who is associated with Sitamma and Lakshmana Swami. Bharata now getting to see three of them. Standile, Darbha Samstire. They are sitting on Darbhasanam, on the floor. Upavishtam Mahabahum. Such Sitamma and Lakshmana Swami associated there. Ramachandra Swami sitting there. Such Ramachandra Swami, how he is giving darshanam to Bharata, how Bharata is feeling like what is Ramachandra Swami is Brahmanam Iva Sasvatam. The eternal Parabrahma is there in Ramachandra Swami. Bharata getting to see Sakshat Parabrahma. Bharata is now feeling that Sakshat Parabrahma is sitting over there. Now Bharata is tam drishtva Bharataha Sriman Dukkha Soka Pariplutam, with outpouring, with so much of excitement, so much of grief. Now Bharata is running towards Ramachandra Swami. After that, what happens? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama.